Endeavoring to further strengthen Pak-US ties, Consul General Marc Stroh toured Northern Sindh from 27th to 31st of March. Consul General Marc Stroh celebrated the reopening of the newly renovated Lincoln Corner, Khairpur. Reinforcing the United States' long-term commitment to advancing education in Pakistan, Consul General toured Shah Abdul Latif University and Sukkur IBA University. One of the highlights of the Consul General's visit was his discussion with women entrepreneurs from Sukkur and Larkana. Consul General Stroh also visited the Government High School, Numaish Colony, constructed in 2017 with support from the USAID-funded Sindh Basic Education Program. During his visit to the region, the Consul General also met business leaders from the Sukkur Chamber of Commerce, toured the Continental Biscuit Factory, and participated in a round-table discussion with journalists at the Larkana Press Club. He visited the Hindu-Muslim shrine of Odero Lal near the city of Tandu Adam Khan. Odero, who is called Jhule Lal by Hindus, opposed the caste system. Interestingly, his dargah is visited by the members of both faiths. Consul General laid a wreath at the mazar of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai and said, "The message of Sufi saints for tolerance and coexistence was truly inspiring." He visited World Heritage Site Mohenjo-daro to show appreciation for the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Speaking on the occasion, Marc Stroh said,
At Mohenjo-daro, this is an amazing example of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and I would encourage everyone to take the opportunity to come and spend some time, learn more about the incredible ancient civilization and history here of Sindh province in Pakistan.